Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by checking basics. Make sure your Series 7 is charged and running the latest watch OS and that it's paired to your iPhone. Once done, unlock the watch and open the Settings app on the watch. Alternatively, open the Watch app on your iPhone and tap My Watch. From here, navigate to General, then Keyboard. This gets you straight to the keyboard controls so you can change Autocorrect now without digging through unrelated menus. You'll now disable the feature itself. On the watch, scroll to Keyboard and find Autocorrection. Tap the switch to turn it off. Make sure to check Predictive as well if you want fewer suggestions. Turning that off reduces replacements. If you use the iPhone Watch app, the same toggles appear under My Watch General Keyboard and changes sync to the watch. Once switched, pause for a moment so the setting applies across system keyboards. You're almost done. Compose a short message in Messages or Mail to confirm the watch no longer changes your words. If autocorrect still appears, restart the watch. That often forces settings to apply. Make sure both devices are updated. If problems persist, unpair and repair the watch to reset sync settings. One key troubleshooting tip. Check that keyboard settings aren't being overridden by iCloud Keyboard Sync. Temporarily sign out of iCloud Keyboard Sync on your iPhone to test whether that restores the expected behavior.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.